Okay, when you go to course activities in your D2L, you have your assignments, and then you have to go here. You have to submit here your labs modules, and you have every single lab. You can take a capture like this one. I'm gonna show you how. For example, this is a capture of the first um, figure, which is a labeling activity, and then you have to fill all the pages. If you have any questions or concept maps or quizzes, uh, you have then to fill uh, the activity, and then you have to record. It could be a PDF or a PowerPoint, and you already know the place where you have to deliver each activity. For example, here you have to build a presentation or a PDF containing uh, every single labeling activity from exercises 1 to 10. It could be again PDF or PowerPoint presentations. I hope this could be useful for you.